Hey guys, so how do you change the languages on Workday? So let's go ahead and look for Workday first. I'm gonna type it in here. It's going to be really fast, so just bear with me on this one. So right now I'm going to need you to, by the way, if you're having trouble lately of creating an account, it's because Workday is now currently under maintenance. So just click this one over here and you can see the languages here now. So whatever languages you speak, of course. So I speak Filipino, so it's going to be here somewhere. It's alphabetical, so that's what makes this convenient and very usable. So that's just it. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video is of any help, and till next time, guys.